Okay, it's day third at Shite. We had placed this Jizwau HS6057 water extractor made in Spain. So we have remaining machining. Also another one we had kept this uh, Jizwau 8060. We have several more machines. This is our calendar for bed sheets and bed linen. This is packed. We will place it at that lining. This is a new machine which we have received. We will test it and submit a review to the company. So we have a more dryers over here, washers, which we previously used in a Hyatt Regency Kathmandu. And these all are pressing equipments which we have, and this is from Pony, made in Italy. These all are pressing equipments for garments, and these are touch-up board. This is packing machine. So currently we are doing all the works over here. Let's check what will be the result.